Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Claude AI for spreadsheet and data tasks in 2026. So if you work with Excel or Google Sheets and deal with large datasets, yeah, this guide will make your work much faster and easier. First, open your browser and go to Claude AI and sign in. Once you're inside the dashboard, you can paste your data directly or upload text from spreadsheet files to start working with it. Next, clearly explain what you want to do with your data. For example, cleaning duplicates, organizing columns, or summarizing numbers. The more specific your instructions, the more accurate Claude's output will be. You can also ask Claude to generate formulas for Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, like sum, average, if conditions, or lookup formulas to automate calculations. Another powerful use is data analysis. You can ask Claude to find patterns, detect errors, or highlight missing values so your raw data becomes easier to understand. Claude can also format everything into structured tables. So yeah, you can directly copy the output into spreadsheets without needing to reorganize it manually afterwards. If something is not perfect, just refine your prompt and ask for simpler, cleaner, or more detailed results depending on your needs. This helps you quickly improve the output until it matches exactly what you want. And that's how you use Claude AI for spreadsheet and data tasks in 2026. Hey everyone,